You can use the progress report to monitor a group of students and track their progress. Click on the Reports tab in the top menu bar and choose Assignment and Progress Reports from the drop-down list. At the top of the page is a Reports carousel. You can navigate between reports using either the right and left arrows on the carousel or the little dots top right. Until you have used the drop-down menus to set up your report, the carousel will display a sample image. The progress report is the opening report. Choose a group and a product from the drop-down menus on the left and click View Students' Progress. The carousel gives some overall statistics for the group and shows an overview graph. The colours in the graph show the average RAGG scores for the group at different grades or levels. Red equals 0 to 34%, amber equals 35 to 70%, green equals 71 to 100%, gold equals 100% without using any of the hints or learning aids provided to help students. Below the carousel is a table listing average scores for each student. The coloured lozenges give an average RAGG score for that grade, level or exercise type. On the right of the table, you can see how many assignments each student has done, what percentage of the course they have completed, and how many achievements they have. You can click on the course percentage for a particular student to see more detailed information about their progress. If you click on the Export button above the table, you can download a spreadsheet that captures all the information in the progress report. The group progress report is third in the reports carousel. To create a group progress report, choose a group and a product using the drop-down menus, then click View Group Progress. The carousel for the group progress report shows some useful overall statistics. Rather than showing a table of results, the group progress report shows the Course Explorer. For each exercise, the report shows a colour bar summarising the RAGG scores for that exercise. Click on the colour bar to show a list of students who have completed that exercise and the scores they achieved. You can also see a list of who has not started the exercise. Clicking the Export button downloads a spreadsheet of all the scores for that exercise.